In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to ChatGPT using Connect apps. Before we begin, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Connecting OneDrive to ChatGPT lets the tool securely access files you store in the cloud so you can summarize documents, analyze spreadsheets, or reference content without manual uploads each time. We'll walk through two simple ways to connect: directly from the chat interface using the pin icon, and from your profile settings. Use whichever route you prefer. They do the same thing. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. In the chat interface, look for the small pin-shaped apps icon. Click that, then choose Connect Apps. This opens the list of integrations available to you. In that list, find OneDrive. You'll see options for both OneDrive Personal and OneDrive for Business. Pick the one that matches the account where your files live. If you're not sure which to choose, here's a quick tip. OneDrive Personal is usually tied to a personal Microsoft account you might use at home. OneDrive for Business is part of a work or school Microsoft 365 account managed by your organization. Selecting the right one ensures ChatGPT can see the files you actually want to reference. There's also an alternate path that leads to the same place. Click your profile icon on the right side of the screen, then open Settings. In the Settings window, go to Connected Apps. From there, click Connect. You'll see the same list of available apps, including OneDrive Personal and OneDrive for Business, and you can choose the one you need. As you connect, expect to see a standard permission screen from Microsoft. That's normal for secure integrations, and it outlines what access is being granted. Make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account for the files you plan to use. If you manage multiple accounts, it helps to sign out of the wrong one in a separate tab before you connect here. Once connected, you're ready to bring files into your chats as needed. If you ever want to review or disconnect the integration, return to Settings, open Connected Apps, and manage OneDrive from there. If the Apps icon or Connect Apps option isn't visible, try updating your app or checking back later, as availability can vary by account or region. That's it. You now know how to connect OneDrive to ChatGPT using the Apps icon or your profile